So here we have another unboxing video. This is for a Transit custom brake light. This is a smoked upgrade version. Now this only fits the models what have got a single tailgate, not the twin barn door. We do both, so if you are looking for one to fit the vehicle with two doors, just check in our store, it is there, it is available. So we'll get this unboxed, we'll have a closer look, and we will shortly get it illuminated so we can have a look at this, what it would look like lit up on your van. So as you can see, this has got a really mirrored dark finish to it. These are fully road legal. They are really easy to fit, they literally just pop out and pop in. Plug in directly straight into the original wiring on the van as well. These are MOT compliant and they are also E-marked. So we'll get this quickly illuminated so we can see what this looks like.